because they were making so much money on the interest. Well, now it's tough to give out those credit.
Hi everyone, this is HPT watching the ATS. Make a live trade here. It's got a trailing stop on. I have a sell signal when the price gets above the upper Bollinger Band. Almost there. This trade is up, about 4.5 points so far. Trailing stop. We got a one tick trailing stop. It needs to get up to about 896. Somewhere up in here. Trailing stop is just moving its way up. Look at the YM chart. Would have been good for about 60 points. This is all automated. Took a trade at, got in at 890. It's up 6 points. Raise the, alright, it should get
Position
a sell.
Closed.
Yep, just got a sell signal there. Sell signal came in, sell market exit. It got above the upper Bollinger Band there, and we sold one contract. Got out of that trade. Let's take a look at that trade real quick. It was right here. Bought at 890.25, held it for 3 minutes, and sold at 896.5 for 6.25 point. Trade. You can look at your statistics here on Bracket Trader. These are the stats for today. 3 wins, 4 losses, but net we're up on the day, $303. So look at the trades here real quick. The last trade we just made $307. Here are the trades for today. You can see I've got more big winners than losers. I have a preset stop in most of my trades at 1.5 points on ES, and I let the runners run and try to have the system take me out with these exit signals. Looks like ES is still running up here. Could have got another about 3 or 4 points. So, looking pretty good. Strong momentum to the upside here. Look at the chart. Crude oil is also getting ready to close in about 10 minutes, so that's helping push up the ES chart. Nice trend line up. We got another automated auto trend line right there. We got a breakout above 892. Got a nice run up right there. It's trying to get back up to today's highs. It's back up to 900. There's a lot of resistance up here on the chart. Probably going to get a reversal back down. Let's see if the system gets a sell signal here. Probably won't because it's set up for
Welcome back to On the Economy. Stocks are nearing the
system
high of
is
the
set up
session
for
now.
trend
Let's take a
following
look at
right
the Dow,
now.
the S&P, and the NASDAQ. Dow is down just 60 points now, 0.68. Top of the show, that was about a 2.6% loss, so it's
I'm
really
recording
narrow.
this so I can
S&P
put it
down
on the
about
blog
10.5
later.
points, the NASDAQ down 31.
We're using Bracket
on the
Trader.
plus side, gold surging today on hopes that central banks
These are
around the world
the setup
will
I
have
have.
more
2-point
liquidity
stop.
to help unfreeze
I have
the
a
credit
preset
markets.
target of 5 points, but on that last trade I went ahead and
Continue
raised
talking
it.
about retail, the holiday shopping season with Marshall Cohen, Chief
ES
Industry
chart,
Analyst
or
at
here's the
MPT Group,
YM
which is a
chart.
retail research
YM
firm.
chart got a buy at
So in terms of
8660.
next year,
Good for
in
about
order to
100
say
points
maybe
there.
retail turns around, the economy turns around, what do you have to see in the job market?
The job market is really a major indicator. Every month we do what we call a consumer spending indicator. I try to get into the psyche of the consumer, and it's been pretty steady over the last few months. And even when we passed the October hurdle that we had in the stock market, the consumer's telling us that as long as they have their job, they are going to continue to spend. We are seeing the numbers. Back in January, 26% of consumers were concerned about their job. That number's creeped up to 33% through October. So we have to really be careful about recognizing that the consumer's starting to show a little bit of vulnerability in their comfort level with spending.
Crude oil is still pushing up, helping the stock market.
The couple things that the indicator really showed. Number one, that the consumer was not willing to
looks like
change their
YM is
shopping
starting to
habits
roll over
early
here.
on, but now
ES
in the
is holding
last 2
up a
months,
little bit
they're
better than
clearly
the
telling
Dow.
us they're looking for more places to be able to save money. That means they're looking to channel shift, which is the reason why Walmart's numbers are looking good, because they're getting a lot of those consumers who are trading down temporarily.
You've been watching this stuff a long time. Now, I have this theory that maybe we saw a lot of bubbles. We saw a credit bubble, we saw a housing bubble, and I wonder if do we see a handbag bubble? You know,
okay, there's a question. How many of the losers were fast stop outs?
Was around one level.
If we look at the losers,
the aspirational shopper, it went way up. Has that bubble burst in the United States? Do you think that the aspirational shopper is going to be more savings
first
conscious
trade of the day was a loser.
Or in
it was in that trade for 26 seconds.
The consumer is one of the
next
last
trade was a
ones
loser. It was in that trade for 49
the economy
seconds.
Is faltering.
Next trade
They're
was
also one of the
a winner.
First ones to show signs that they're
was in that trade
state
for
of
53
recovery.
seconds.
So one of the interesting things, handbags
next trade was
and
a loser.
jeans
It was in that trade for 25 seconds.
The consumer psyche is. The
next trade was a big winner. It was in that trade for 1 minute. Next trade was a loser. Stopped out for after 13 seconds. And then the next trade was a big winner. It was in the trade for 3 minutes.
But
if you look at the losers, a lot of them,
something we have
turn
to
off
watch
the
very
Bloomberg
carefully.
here.
It's going to be a great sign when the consumer's feeling.
Some of these were trailing stops, like the this one right here. That one was a trailing stop, the one that was in 49 seconds. The first one of the day was also a trailing stop, which means it went in our direction a quarter point. And so the trailing stop moved up at 1/4 point, so we didn't get stopped out full max. And that's about it.